and gentlemen.
All right, cool. All right, guys, this is break 3 of 2020 Bowman First Edition. Yeah, I've got more of those to give away too. Project 2020. But I think that's the same thing. You know, people just don't, they just want something new, and Project 2020 is new. The Rockies. Not much, Brian. Not much, and I can't get any more either. That's why I'm doing these small breaks instead of, you know, I could probably sell out of Topps Chrome tonight. I could probably sell out a Bowman Draft this week. So that's why I'm kind of doing it slowly, just so I can get as many people. You know what I mean. I don't want to get rid of it all at once, but I wouldn't mind getting rid of most of it before Bowman comes out. So that's kind of why I'm doing it just a little a night, because when Bowman comes out, I'm gonna be busy anyway. So, you know, that's what I'm thinking. I might just try to piece it out. Bobby Witt, try to piece it out until Bowman comes out. Adley, Bryson Stott, Tristan Lutz. I don't like all the Project 2020 cards, but some of them I think are pretty cool. Like this one. I really like this one. I gave that away yesterday. And then I liked one of the Jeters and one of the Trouts. Of course, the Trout I bought, 30,000 people bought it too. So, you know, there's that. Bowman's supposed to be the 27th. The 27th. Royce Lewis, blue foil. Not many, Jake, and I can't get any more either. I don't have very many left. De La Cruz, first Bowman. The fatherly tone of my voice. Have you heard of me yell at the kids yet? Once I start talking in Spanish, you know I'm yelling at them. Once you start hearing those cayetes come out, you know there's trouble. I had 7 with me tonight. I had 7. I made my wife come and pick up 4 of them. I was like, you got to take them. I can't handle it. So I only have the 3 oldest boys here tonight. I've got 10, 11, and 13. Luciano. That's the 1-of-1 we hit the other day. The Marco Luciano. Jake. Yeah, I know. The first Trout's crazy. And I thought it was so ugly that I didn't buy it. You know, I even said to myself, you know, it's Trout. It's the first one. You know, pick up 20 of them anyway just to be safe. And I kind of hemmed and hawed and missed the deadline and didn't buy them. What an idiot. I mean, it just, you know, you could have paid off your house buying Trouts. You know, if you had bought, say, 100 Trouts, right? If you had bought 100 Trouts, they'd have cost you less than $15 each. But let's say 15, right? So what would that have been? 10 Trouts would have been 150. 100 Trouts would have been $1,500. Ruben Cardenas and Jason Dominguez, right? So for $1,500, you'd have 100 Trouts. They're selling for $500 right now. No lie, they are selling for $500. So if you had bought 100 of them at $1,500, right? Right now, you would have, golly, 50 grand. You'd have $50,000 worth of Trouts. Yeah, they're not all mine. They're not all mine. Cody Hose. Actually, None of them are technically mine, to be honest with you. But 3 of them I'm raising, but none of them are actually mine. Wilfred Astudillo. They're playing Fortnite. Actually, you know what they're playing now? They're playing one of the Call of Duty games, but I don't even think it's the new one. They're playing Call of Duty Warfare. Xavier Edwards 150. That's what they're playing right now. Xavier Edwards again. So back-to-back color for Xavier Edwards. Oh, I mean, it's Jason Dominguez. That's the big card in Bowman. Dominguez and Witt. Damon Jones. What's the big card 2 years from now, though? Who knows? Pawson. Casey Mize. All right, guys. One more box in break 3. I've heard that. I've heard that. All right, Victor, have a good one. Hunter Bishop, Oscar Gonzalez, Jason Dominguez. I don't know if that's 2 or 3. Dominguez. I can't remember how many we hit in the first box. John Diaz, blue. I don't think Witt's a bigger card than Adley. I mean, he's a bigger card right now, but look at Adley's draft. Of course, Adley's a catcher. You know, I don't know. Lodolo. Chaz Chisholm. 24 out of 50. Gratuitous downvote. I sound like a Cuban from Miami. I am the whitest cracker you will ever meet. I am the whitest cracker you will ever meet. I think that's another auto. Yeah, see, look. And they, you know, it's heavier than. Let's do a photo of our 2 autos so we can show people, but yeah. Hopefully Topps does something about these, because it's just terrible. Two autos in 6 boxes, right? Yeah. Okay, so you go there, and, well, you might as well just stay in here for right now. All right, so another auto. I thought it was another 1 of 1 because I'm, I'm used to the autos being, parallels. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what it is. I think that something happened in the pack out that damaged the autos, because this is not the company that they normally use. And I just think that something in their process damaged the cards, you know. But Topps made enough money on this release to go ahead and fix this for people. So if you get one, I'm confident Topps will replace it and with a first edition too. They'll probably just restamp them or whatever. But yeah, I mean, it's not a lot of autos. What is it, like 700 autos out of all these packs? I mean, it's crazy how rare the autos are. Alvaro Sejas, Bobby Witt. All right, tell me what day that is, Whitney, because I've been working every day for a while. Eventually, I'm going to go, nope, not tonight. Yeah, Jason's definitely top Zion. I mean, it's just a perfect confluence of so many different things. One, he's a Yankee. All right. Two, he's so young. Three, he's a monster. Have you seen some of the videos of this guy? I mean, I realize that it's all hype and speculation, but the hype is founded in some really dynamic stats and videos. You should check them out if you haven't seen them. It might make you a believer if you watch some of his videos. I mean, holy cow. Maybe just consider it. A lot of people talk bad about him, and I think it's foolish because, the hype is founded in, in ability. So all those things happen. This would have been a hot release anyway, but then with everything going on, people not having, sports, they're not having new releases coming out. All those things combined with a Jason Dominguez, holy cow, that's why you're seeing all this. I mean, obviously. Bobby Dalbec to 25, Red Sox. All right. What surgery is she having? I know it's something with kidneys, right? Tim Kate, Travis Swaggerty. No, I don't think they'll do that. They've replaced something. They've replaced similar things. Man. Yeah, Pawson's another one. I agree. And Pawson, I think, is under the radar right now because everybody's just talking about the other two guys, There's a couple of guys like that. What's the guy from the Dodgers? And there's a guy from the Rangers. Bayron, right? For the Rangers. All right, so John Diaz, Tim Kate, Bobby Dalbec, Pawson. That's the guy I was talking about. Bayron Lora. Bobby Witt, Sejas, Jason Dominguez, that's 1. Chaz Chisholm, John Diaz again. Dominguez 2. Oscar Gonzalez, Pawson. Damon Jones, gold. Oh, that's a first Bowman. Edwards, Astudillo, Cody Hose. Dominguez 3, right? Yeah. Cardenas, Witt, De La Cruz, Royce Lewis, and Bobby Witt. And then, of course, your auto for the Padres, Grant Little. $180. That's not too bad of a drop, He was averaging 205, I think, 2 days ago. Day 4. All right, guys, save your video.